Hello and welcome to Full of Food. If you love Pop-Tarts and want a quick and easy treat, have a go at making these at home using your air fryer. We use the Ninja Dual Zone here, but any make or model of air fryer will do. So on to the ingredients. First thing you need to get yourself is some short pastry. So just check you've got the right one. This works best with the short pastry rather than puff pastry. Jam of your choice. We're doing a strawberry one here, so I've just got some nice Hartley's jam there. Next up, a little bit of fresh fruit works well in them as well, so I've got some fresh strawberries there. You could take these out if you wanted to. Some icing sugar from the top and some good old sprinkles to make them look nice and fun at the end. So this couldn't be simpler. You can whip these up in a minute or so. So get your pastry. I get ready rolled because I'm lazy. You could make your own pastry if you want, but this works perfectly. And then just fold it in half, make a little mark. So you roughly get them the same size, doesn't matter too much. And then into quarters, and then I'm doing each quarter into 3. So this will make 6 Pop-Tarts. So first thing you want to do, take the 2 matching parts, put a spoonful of jam in the middle, and then I just dice up the fresh strawberries. Like I said, a little bit of fresh fruit works really well in here, but if you don't have it, doesn't matter. You can just use jam, you could use Nutella, you could use marmalade, you could even make a savoury one if you wanted. So get a fork and you're just going to go round and crimp on that pastry. There we go. And then really simply, we're just going to repeat for all the other sections, crimping on the edge. And one thing I find really helps here is if you then get your fingers and push around the outsides of them, just make sure that seals really, really good there. Pop them in the air fryer. Close it up, you don't need to spray them or anything, and air fry at 200 degrees for 6 to 7 minutes until golden. You might want to check them after about 5, just see how they're going. Right, when they're done, this is what they come out like. Lovely and golden, smell delicious because that strawberry jam is all heated up there. So take them out, and then you want to cool them quite a bit because you're going to put icing on top. So you want to just get some icing. I've just got icing sugar and water here. Mixed it till it's quite thick. You want it to be able to run, but not run everywhere. So just pop that onto your Pop-Tarts. As you can see there, it's not running everywhere. I can mould it into shape. Nice bit on each, and then sprinkles of choice. So just pop your sprinkles on, make them look nice and pretty, and there you have it, homemade Pop-Tarts in probably under 10 minutes. Perfect. Pop them in a container, keep them for next morning's breakfast, or just eat them all now.